Hello there, Glossier Sunday again. I upload a new Glossier review on the first Sunday of each month, but got a bit out of order recently. Time to talk about one of their less celebrated products, the Soothing Face Mist. I'm a big face mist fan, and this Rosewater version is a key part of my spray squad. Some of you might love facial sprays too, but some of you might be wondering why on earth you need them. The answer is you probably don't need them, but you might like to use them anytime you want to refresh your skin, whether that's at your desk at work, on a long flight, on a hot day, after exercising, after removing a face mask, before or after makeup, in between steps in your skincare routine. Go nuts. Rosewater is one of my favourite scents, and at first this one took me by surprise because it's not the truest rose scent I've tried. Jurlique Rosewater Balancing Mist wins that award for me, but I still find this very soothing and calming. It also contains aloe and glycerin, which have hydrating properties, and comes in this easy plastic pump bottle. Psst, you can unscrew the lid and repurpose it afterwards. Many wise viewers out there might be aware of something called transepidermal water loss, something to be wary of when using face mists. It basically just means that water on the skin evaporates and leaves your face feeling a bit dry and tight. So to avoid that, I mostly use mists like this before adding a serum or moisturiser to lock hydration in. But it's still very nice to use as a pick-me-up anytime during the day. Because that was a short and sharp wrap-up, I wanted to briefly mention Glossier Solution as well, the chemical exfoliant they released in January 2018 with testimonials and before and after photos that seemed too good to be true. I bought this the day it launched, but actually never tried it after reading several slightly unfavourable reviews. I'll leave them linked down below so you can catch up. But everyone's skin is so different, so let's open up the discussion in the comments below. I'd love to hear what your solution experience has been and if you think I should give it a go. As always, let me know what you think of Soothing Face Mist too, and yes, a review of the 2 new Cloud Paint blushes is definitely on its way. Thanks for watching, see you next time.